And we're back to Exercism. This time I'm going to show you my solution for largest series product. The problem is quite simple. We'll get an input, a number or a string, and a span, in this case 3. So we'll look at the series of 3 in this entire input. We have 3 possibilities. Next step is to use these 3 possibilities and then multiply them with each number that's inside of it. And finally we'll compare these 3 outcomes, the products, and check which is the biggest. In our case it's the series 639, and that gives us an answer of 162, which is 6 times 3 times 9. And that's how this goes, so it's a simple math problem. Let me run the test. It works. At first, as I said, we've got a string and a span. Then I've taken care of the 3 errors. We've got, for example, this one here. Span must be smaller than string length. Then span must be greater than 0. And for the digits input, I've had to use a little bit of regex to test the string. And then let me scroll up. Let us check an input that should actually work. Maybe this one here, a span of 3. It should equal to 70. So I've defined a largest, set it to 0. This is what we're going to ultimately return. And then I've used a for loop. It uses the span to define the length for our index. So the iterations that we are going through. Then we'll have to perform on our str, the string, this input number, a couple of methods. It's not that complex, but this is going to give us the series, and then we'll multiply them, and we'll always have to check if the product is bigger than our largest, and if it is, we'll set the latest product, the biggest, to our largest, which is what we're going to ultimately return. As always, pause the video at the specific moments and then recode it step by step. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.